Morning, all of you. I'm Sarvesh Kumar Sharma, Acharya of Sri Swampachua Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Firozabad. Today there is a speech competition, and the topic is hard work is the key to success. In this collection, Mr.
Aditya Upadhyay.
Yes.
My name is Aditya Upadhyay from Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Firozabad. I am from class 10C and I get this opportunity from my English teacher named as Sarvesh Kumar Sharma. I am very grateful to say that he gave me this golden opportunity to say something about hard work is the key to success. As we all know that the hard work is the thing that we want to in our everything, because if there is not any hard work, then we are not able to achieve anything that we want. And if we are not able to achieve anything that we want, then we are not able to live a comfort life. So hard work is the bridge between us and our success. Today I am presenting the story of the great scientist Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was a scientist of German, and he was not so good from his early childhood, and he is not sure to do something like good experiments that he want. From the age of 5, he is not so good, and the audible hearing is not very good. He was very regretted and demotivated by himself. But his mother always praising him to get something new, and after some years, he discovered a thing named as tungsten, and after some time, he discovered the bulb, and we use in our daily life. We now understand the importance of the bulb. If there is not any bulb, then you are not able to get it glowing like as a sign. So, if Thomas Alva Edison can do things from his better and early childhood, that he was not damn good at that age, so we are also able to do those things. So I am requesting to all that we are in the class 10th standard and do best of ours to get good marks, and let to say parents about that he was very happy from us. Thank you.
मुझे एक्शन भी होना चाहिए. Yes. आप लोग कॉपी अगर क्लिप लेना चाहते से गंदा नहीं लगना चाहिए किसी के से. Yes.
First of all, I would say thank you for all of you to hear me. I am the student of Sri Swami Bachua Saraswati Vidya Mandir of class 10C. As you all know that there is a speech competition. The topic is hard work is the key to success. So I am very thankful to our English teacher, Mr. Sarvesh Kumar Sharma ji sir, who gave me opportunity to say something about hard work is the key to success. So today I want to tell you about a great Indian politicians, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji sir. That you all know he was former Prime Minister of India. Now he is not present in us, but he took many decisions, and he achieved many things in her life, that we should take many inspiration from him. So Atal Bihari Vajpayee, you all know, when he was in her early school stage, he was just 11 years old when he started doing kavitas. You all know poems. He started to write some poems, and first time in their school he was speak a poem that every student and by all the teachers of the school like very much. So from there he was starting to doing many poems, and slowly he was completely able to speak anything in the public and in front of many people. So from then he joined the RSS. You all know RSS. He joined RSS, and after that the political career of Mr. Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji has been started, and slowly he doing very lot of hard work and do many great achievements from RSS, and from where he see that there are many crime and corruption in India. So he wanted to remove all the corruption, all the crime from India. So he take decision to come in the politics. So he started to form a political party. So from where he meet with Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, who is the member of RSS. So from there he and started to form a party called the name is Janata Dal. And you all know from the Janata Dal now is Bharatiya Janata Party. You all know he do very hard work and become a very successful. In 1971, you all know the 1971 war. In that war, he took very good decisions and do very lot of hard work for the country India. So you all know he took many decisions, do lot of hard work for the country. So my topic is now should be ended, and thank you for all you to hear me. Thank you.
My name is
रुक
Chris
जाओ
Kumar.